Hello, now this is just going to be a really short video. Basically, the Friday just gone, I put out a video on how to get some really nice sunrise and sunset footage. Now, a lot of people in the comments were saying, I want to see the final result. I want to see a final edit of all the clips that you put together. And basically, when I was filming this video, I didn't really think anybody would be too bothered about that. It was mainly just me going along through the process and taking you along with me and giving you some tips along the way. But it seems like you guys wanted to see a final edit. Now, if you haven't already seen the video where I go through and take all of this footage, it's probably worth going and watching that one first. But at the same time, if not, you can watch this video and then go ahead and watch the other one to see how this was all done. So I took the time, put together a little edit with some color grading, sound design, all of that good stuff. And I'm going to play that for you now. So for those of you who requested it, here it is. Enjoy the footage.